You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the Red Bull? Where is the Pepsi? Where is the Coca Cola? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Sprite? Where is the Dr. Pepper? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.